Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about dental plaque. And stick around because I'm going to tell you how to fight plaque. Of course, before we get started, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates in your feed. Plaque is a soft, sticky film that builds up on your teeth and contains millions of bacteria. The bacteria in plaque cause tooth decay and gum disease if they're not removed regularly through brushing and flossing. When you eat, the bacteria in plaque use the sugars in your food to produce acids that eat away at the tooth enamel. Repeated attacks cause the enamel to break down, eventually resulting in a cavity in the tooth surface. Teeth can also become discolored from a variety of factors, so why not check out these dental pens that are great for teeth whitening? I'll throw a link in the description below, so check it out. Since plaque is constantly growing in your mouth, the best way to remove it and to prevent tartar buildup is to brush and floss your teeth every day. Brush your teeth twice a day using a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste to remove plaque from tooth surfaces and to protect your teeth from decay. So there you go. Please take a moment and subscribe to our channel, and here's a little more about these amazing whitening pens. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, if you want to whiten your teeth but want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.